Yeah, welcome back, children. So now we'll solve a problem from exercise 7.2, that is second problem. Beta. Given information is in triangle ABC, AD is a perpendicular bisector. So it has two words. Perpendicular means it's making 90 degrees angle. Bisector in the sense it dividing angle into two equal parts. Okay. Not only angle, bisector of BC. Yeah, that means it's dividing BC into two equal parts. Simple. So if you draw the diagram, beta, A, B, C. So now it's talking about AD. Am I right? So if you draw AD now, so AD making 90 with BC, and he said AD is also bisector. That means dividing them into two equal parts. That is the given information. Then what should we show? To show AB is equals to AC, that we have to show. Okay, so now I'll write we have two triangles. One is a ADB triangle and one more ADC triangle, correct? So now what I'll write AD is equals to AD, it is on side. The reason for equality is a common side. AD is a common side. Correct? Now I'll write angle ADB is equals to 90. That is equal to angle ADC also. Yes, it's an angle. And did you get it out? Why should they equal? Because both are right angles. So as we know, DB is nothing but BD. Okay. DB is equals to DC, it is on side, and the reason for equality, it's already given, correct? No? You may get it out. Here we had a right angle, so why don't we use RHS angle? RHS congruence rule. But for RHS we need hypotenuse also, the opposite side. But here we are talking about to show hypotenuse is only equal, correct? No? So RHS rule doesn't work out. So I used that side angle side. So I used here by SAS rule. By SAS rule I can say triangle ADB congruence to triangle ADC. Now after declaring the congruences, look at side. AB side we haven't discussed and AC side we haven't discussed. So I'll write AB is equals to AC by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, so that is required to prove. Okay, and what I want to say, look at the large triangle. The ABC is the overall triangle, correct? If I erased it, now ABC is a triangle. In that we already shown AB is equals to AC. So if you take a triangle, in that two sides of a triangle are equal. So this kind of triangle can be called it as a isosceles triangle. If two sides of a triangle are equal, that is isosceles triangle. If three sides of a triangle are equal, that is just equilateral triangle. If each side is different than other one, that is scalene triangle. So these are the three types of triangles based on sides. Okay, right. Look at this one now. Yes. Look at the diagram. ABC is an isosceles triangle. So triangle ABC is an isosceles. That means from the diagram we can understand AB is equals to AC. Is already made it. Okay. Next. The altitude BD and CE are drawn to equal sides of AC and AB. So AC, AB are equal sides, I mentioned already. Yes. Now I want to talk about two triangles. One is triangle AEC and one more triangle ADB. Now look at. If you talk about the triangle AEC, in AEC triangle we have a complete angle, that is A. Complete means not 360. That means angle A is complete, included in the triangle. Okay. And in ADB also we have an angle, that is A, common angle. So here I can write angle A is equals to angle A. This is an angle, and I can write it as a common angle. What should we show here? Here we have to show our altitudes are equal. That means BD is equals to EC. Altitudes are equal, we have to show. Now, common angle. Now, we discussed already ABC is isosceles triangle. So, AB is equal to AC. It is on side, and the triangle ABC is an isosceles. So, along with that, to use ASA rule, we need one more angle, correct? And if you look at AEC triangle, if one part is 90, the other part also 90, correct? Because it is perpendicular. Height, altitude makes 90 with the opposite side. So here I'll write angle A is equals to 90, angle D is equals to also 90. So it's an angle. So by ASA rule, triangle AEC congruent to triangle ADB. After declaring congruence, now I can write BD is equals to EC by CP/CT rule. Corresponding parts are congruent triangles, right? Same problem we can change now. Same problem we can change. Same diagram. Now what should be given information? Given information is BD is equals to EC in triangle ABC. The altitudes are equal, then show that AB is equals to AC, or triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Now same in triangle ADB and triangle AEC, same triangles you can compare, ADB and AEC, and we don't know AB is equal to AC, but we know this one equals. Right. So now I said already ASA rule can also write it as AAS rule. Why should I am talking these all? Because here I know angle A is equal to angle A. Yes, one angle completed. And look at angle D is equals to angle E, that is equals to 90, and that is also an angle. Along with the two angles, we need one side for equality. So as we know, BD and EC are altitudes even though they are sides, correct? So here I'll write DB is equals to EC, that is on side, and it is a common angle. These are right angles are equal, and it is already given, correct? By AAS rule, triangle ADB congruent to triangle AEC. So from this I can say AB is equals to AC. What is why? Because by CP/CT rule. But in a triangle ABC, if two sides are equal, that triangle can be called it as an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, correct? I hope you understand, and my humble request to all, practice congruence rules and learn congruence rules well and fine. Okay, if you practice well, it will be good. Yeah, one more. So from diagram we can understand, I think so. So given information from the diagram is the short form I am writing. In ABC triangle, AB is equal to AC. In triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC. So simple ABC, we can say that ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay. In BCD triangle, BCD or BDC triangle, BD is equals to CD. So BCD also an isosceles triangle. Yes. Now to show our required to show angle ABD equals to angle ACD. Just mark ABD this angle and ACD this one. Correct? So what I want to do, I want to do construction here, a small modification in diagram. Just to take out BC side, right? Join AD, A and B. What happened after joining AD? We got it a new two triangles. One is ABD triangle and one more ACD triangle. So in triangle ABD and one more triangle ACD, correct? And start compare it. Okay. So here I can write AB is equals to AC. It's on side, and the reason for equality already we knows. Correct? Next, BD is equals to, I'll write a CD, that is also a side, and we knows that also. We have already, yes. I want to use one more side now. That is AD is equals to, I'll write AD. It is also side. The reason for equality, it's on common side. Now by yes rule, by triple S rule, the both triangles are congruent. Correct? So now what will write? Now whatever we want to show, that showed had a proved. That shown has proved by CP/CT rule. So after congruence, we can say the corresponding parts are equal. Correct? Thank you. Have a nice day, children.